Spider-Man, I think I figured out how Fisk's men are keeping his rackets running. Construction sites.
Wasn't that shut down when he was arrested?
No, it's one of his legitimate businesses. Multiple investors. We can't act without cause.
But now you've got that, right?
That's why I'm hoping you can keep an eye on the locations. Tell me if you see anything suspicious.
You got it. I'll be your nosy neighborhood Spider-Man.
All units, witness reported an active narcotics sale. Response needed north of Houston.
Bridge to Flatbush Avenue exit. C services is in.
What the hell was that? Hands off the Spider-Man! Not how I thought today was gonna go.
Huh. Fisk did keep these wannabe pushers in check. An Oscorp visitor badge from when I interviewed there. Would have paid well, but Dr. Octavius offered the chance to really make a difference.
All units, civilians in need of assistance following a severe car crash. Officers near Bowery, please respond.
Car wreck down there. Bad one. People could be injured. Hold on! Just a little more!
Revenge, Spider-Man.
Okay, people are safe. I should clear out so the professionals can get in.
What do you...
10:30, we've got an armed robbery in progress. Incident is ongoing near Union Square. Please copy.
Funny, my fear of heights didn't go away when I got my powers. Had to climb to the top of the Empire State to get over that.
All units be advised, break-in reported in progress. Please converge on Tenderloin, over.
Isolated tag. Copy.
Sleep it off.
That impressive in person. Not how I thought today was gonna go. I can't hit him in the air. Quit moving. Oh my God! I feel like a damn fool.
at it this way. If I'd actually let you break in, you'd be going away for a lot longer. I thought web swinging would let me get pizzas delivered fast. And it did. Fast and smashed.
All units, we have a vehicle pursuit in progress. Any officers in Nomad, please respond.
On the east outside.
That's it, huh? I've had worse commutes.
My loyal listeners, Rushheads, they call themselves, though never quite understood why, will remember my warnings about the downright Orwellian crime monitoring system the city was installing. Well, not operating. Why, friends? Because someone came to their senses and realized they'd be violating civil liberties? Wrong! Because those incompetent bureaucrats built a network that crashes more often than a wino driving a bumper car. So your tax dollars got wasted, and there's nothing to show for it. It's about as close as you get to a happy ending in the real world, kids.
Avenue, please respond.
Fisk beat the hell out of me with these. I almost used them for evidence, until MJ pointed out I was trespassing, so I'd probably end up in jail. Typical Parker luck. I could never give this prototype spider tracer enough range to be useful. Gonna guess these guys aren't trading baseball cards. Oh, come on, fellas. You can't keep ducking income tax like this. Nothing puts a pep in my step like halting an illegal drug deal. When I started, I'd web up crooks and leave cops a note.
All units 1034. Repeat, assault reported. Officers near Sutton Place. Be on alert.
meant to wash this gym shirt 6 years ago. Hey, you! I can't let him hurt that victim anymore. You wanna fight? It's your lucky day.
That's right, Spidey. You show him. Don't let us down, Spidey.
I realize the irony in me saying this, but I hope you've learned not to hit people.
Officers be advised, a mugging was just reported. Available officers report to Turtle Bay. Over.
Almost forgot I bought this snow globe for Aunt May. I think I get my love for this city from her. Oh, it is on!
Oh no! Spider-Man! You show him.
Always nice to stop a mugging. Gotta stay strong in the fundamentals.
Thank you, Spider. The only one we can.
Rhino almost killed me until I broke this chip off his horn and figured out what his costume's made of. Still wasn't easy to beat him. My back still aches just thinking about it.
Backup requested for a pursuit in progress. Available officers, please proceed to Koreatown.
Yep, that's a high-speed drug chase, all right.
We are a people.
Well, at least you're not texting.
Let's see what Spider-Man can do.
Curbside service. Gotta shut the More of them? Guys, if you worked this hard at a legit job, you wouldn't need to be criminals. Gotta give that wheelman props. Manhattan rush hour is no joke. Gentlemen, afraid I've got to ask you to leave the store. thought crime would decline post-Fisk. Might have been too optimistic. Spider plushie! Oh, a toy designer made this prototype to get me to license my likeness. Too bad there's no way to get paid without revealing my identity.
207, kidnapping reported. Officers needed in Little Italy.
Gotta remember to scope that Fisk construction site for Yuri.
Need officers to respond to a reported drug deal. Please proceed to Bowery.
Wouldn't be New York without a seedy drug deal.
It's the spider!
Oh, come on, fellas. You can't keep ducking income tax like this.
Crap, this dude's a fat move! How's he move so fast? How I thought today was gonna go. Yeah! Take that!
Drugs are maybe my most disliked criminal activity. Definitely top 5. Or bottom. Yuri, I'm at a Fisk construction site, and there's a lot of guys here who aren't exactly constructing.
What are they doing?
I want to go find out. Just got a text from Doc. Looks like he attached an idea for a Spidey gadget. Man, does he ever stop inventing? Wow, this looks like it could work.
Let's see. Can't read this.
Awesome. Doc would be proud.
Can't believe Spider-Man finally won.
It ain't over till it's over. Now what?
Literally didn't see that coming.
Punk kid. Boss used to hand him his ass on the regular.
I thought the boss killed him that one time.
Maybe he did. Lenny says there's more than one Spider-Man.
Bite your tongue. That's all we need, an army of spiders.
Anyone else?
Shh.
And he's gonna pay for it. I got a funny feeling. Let's get some of the boys up here.
Spider-Man! Don't mess with the Kingpin and live! Keep him on the ground! Track him!
More of them.
Get You're mine!
Spider-Man, turns out we busted 4 illegal firearms dealers within a 3-block radius of that site.
Gun running. Let's see what I can do to cut down the supply.
Can't hit him in the air! Rush him!
Dang, looks like they called their buddies.
Come on! Knock out back!
Oh, hey, more guys. Welcome to the party. House rules. Leave your shoes at the door. Unless you're not wearing socks, in which case, buy some socks already.
Get these slabs off me! Knock him out!
Anyone want to surrender? No?
What are we supposed to do against that? Clear! No more games! What the hell is this crap? You're gonna have a bad day! Got it!
Place is locked down, Captain. Actually, webbed down.
And someone finally reported shots fired, so I've got officers inbound. Good work. Fisk has more construction sites throughout the city, vetting their fronts too. Keep an eye out, and report in if you see anything suspicious.
If I'm gonna find all of Fisk's construction sites, I should recalibrate my mapping software to be more accurate. Using a depth-mapped post-process on photos of popular landmarks should do it. And I know just the one to start with.